Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at this neck reading light. Let's go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what you're getting. Okay my friends, you get a Type-C charging cable, so we know it's an upgraded model. You get a little manual, and this is it. You can see how flexible this is. One thing I do want to point out, let's say my hand is a pole or a post. You actually can wrap this around and use this as a regular light. Like you can wrap it around a post, a pole if you're working on a vehicle or doing something, and then you can adjust the light. So I just want to point out, it can be more than just a neck light. So let's go ahead and show you guys here. Let's see, you got your charging port right here. Different settings there. You have your light settings on here. Super bright. You can adjust that brightness. You can adjust the color. So you can kind of see, you get like warm, different colors. Again, this is really bright, guys. Like even with all of our lights on, you can see how bright this is. Okay, so now we can see here. You can see the light around your neck. Now you can adjust it, you can make it tighter if you don't want it to like move around. Or if you want the lights to be more focused, you can do that. Overall, it's actually really nice. You guys can see how, bright that is. It's very impressive. And I think for all those book readers out there, or again, you can use this for so many different things, not even just reading. It's so nice. Like it's so flexible. Look at this. Like if you're working on your vehicle or something, you could have it around your neck, twist it and angle it that you can, see, or if you're out the side, like you can really customize this for all your needs, which is amazing, guys. Just amazing.